You can make short work of managing unsightly electrical cords such as speakers, lamps, and clocks. Today with Wiremold CordMate cord channel, we're going to hide a speaker wire. CordMate features a one-piece hinge design and pressure-sensitive backing for quick and easy installation. The tools we'll need are a tape measure, a level and chalk line, and a fine-tooth hacksaw. The Wiremold components we'll need are CordMate cord channel and one flat elbow to make the 90-degree turn to the outlet. Never use CordMate cord channel for hard wiring. Use only for hiding wires. Use CordMate cord channel only on smooth surfaces. Make sure the wall surface is clean and free of dust or residue. If your walls are freshly painted, allow the paint to fully cure. First, cut the cord channel according to the length of the speaker cord for the horizontal and vertical runs. Be sure to allow for a couple of inches of speaker cord slack. Next, snap a horizontal level line even with the source. Lay the speaker wire into each channel and snap the lid shut. Then peel off the adhesive tape backing and press the cord channels to the wall. Apply even pressure. Next, attach the flat elbow over the 90-degree turn. Then, plug the speaker wire into its source. Now the hanging speaker wire is hidden and out of sight. CordMate cord channel can be painted or stained to blend well with the wall. Use latex or water-based stains only.